戦闘配置。この防御力、皆の盾としてきっと役に立ってみせます。結果は保証できませんが頑張りましょう。感謝します。
Yes, Arthas. No, no. I am going to give you 5 seconds to say hello to everyone, and then you're going to put it back on my head. You understand?
Hi. Good morning.
Hello, Artist.
Hey. Hello.
How we doing?
We're pretty good. Ate way too much food.
I touched food.
Ate too much turkey. Yeah. Way too much food.
I had ham.
Ooh, ham's good. Did you guys do anything for Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving's over, dude.
Went to my parents, and then we had all our friends over yesterday for another one.
Yeah, we did steaks on Thanksgiving, and then yesterday we had the party at my place for a bunch of folks come over.
We had a great big Thanksgiving dinner. Basically all came here and cooked and played Dungeons and Dragons.
Yeah. And Artist, just because Thanksgiving's over doesn't mean I can't ask you about it.
I know, it's just...
I think he meant that you were asking if they had plans for Thanksgiving.
No, I was asking what they did for Thanksgiving.
My plans didn't come true because I wanted to go across the street into the woods, but I didn't get a chance to go.
Oh, okay. What's in the woods?
Trees. Grass.
Yeah.
Across from my house, there's like a 200 foot by I'd say 100 foot area, wooded area. Just a small.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We live on a curve in the middle of nowhere, and then there's just one patch of trees that I like going over there.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess I'm not used to that. I got I have acres and acres and acres up here of woods.
Oh. Can I visit?
I don't think your father would let you come all the way up to the UP.
UP, what?
It's the Upper Peninsula of Michigan.
Oh.
So you're on the very south of America. Go straight north to just about to the Canadian border.
Why does the girl that's narrating my dad's ship have a nice voice? What?
Well, they always do that stuff.
It's a woman. I'm like, what? Japanese women always have nice voices. Have you been spotted yet? Yes? hand you over to my dad.
All right. Well, good talking to you.
Don't get caught.
Thank you, everyone, for
Caught doing what?
putting up with him.
No worries. What do you mean by don't get caught? Someone's a little confused.
Oh, he's being stupid. Like, for instance, if he was out in public and I would let him, he would be doing things that you would get in trouble for if you got caught. So, don't get caught.
Oh.
He's not saying stay out of trouble. He's saying don't get caught getting into trouble.
Okay. It's not the best advice.
No.
No.
I mean, to be fair, what were we doing at his age?
Oh, you don't want to know what I was doing at his
I don't know
age,
anybody else,
because
but I was working on a farm, working my ass off.
I was jumping trains and as they
I was
came through
working through
town.
drill.
I was about to say, I mean, I worked, but
And how old is he?
14.
Oh yeah, I was working.
See, I was busting my ass.
We had a family business, so I was on that all the time.
Yep.
My mom was
14, I was running garbage routes, playing football, wrestling, and
Yep, that too. Sports.
whatever else I could find for oddball jobs.
Yep.
Cash. A lot of farm work.
my mom was in the Navy, so didn't have a whole lot of options. But let's see, what was it?
Okay.
Where were we when I was 14? We were in the Philippines, I believe, and so I was hanging out the beach.
Nice. Did you surf at all out there, or is that kind of a beach, or no?
みんなで頑張った結果
I
よ
didn't learn how to surf.
私はその中の一人でしかないわ